Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Install It Right. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install the latest Eclipse IDE on Windows 11, and after that we will also run our first Java program inside Eclipse. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google and type Eclipse and press enter. Now you will see the official website eclipse.org. Click on it. Now click on the download button. Download x86_64 for Windows. Now after that, click on the download button to start the download process. You will see the download has started. Wait for a moment. Once the file is downloaded, click on the .exe file to start the installation process and wait for a moment. You can minimize your browser. The Eclipse installer will start. You will see multiple options like Java developer, C or C++ developer, PHP developer, and many more. Since we want Eclipse for Java development, click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. After clicking, you can see the supported Java versions. Choose the latest one. And Eclipse already include the required Java environment, so you don't need to install Java separately. Below you can see the folder where Eclipse will be installed. We will keep it as it is. Now click install, accept the agreement. Now Eclipse will start installing. This may take a few minutes, so please wait. Eclipse has now been installed successfully. You can also see the desktop shortcut. Now click launch. When Eclipse open for the first time, it will ask for a workspace location. A workspace is the place where all your project file and folder will be saved. I will keep the default path. So select the option, use this as the default and do not ask again. And click launch. Eclipse will now start. Eclipse is now open. To create a new project, you can directly click on create a Java project. Now enter a project name. I will name this hello. Now below you can see the project location. This is inside your workspace which we selected earlier. Now click on execution environment. You can see it as supported Java 24. Next, uncheck the create module info.java file and click next. Then click finish. Your project has been created. On the left side, right click the project folder. Now go to new and click on package. Let's name it as study Java and click finish. Our package is now created. Right click the package, then new, then click on class, add the name demo. The .java extension will be added automatically. Then check the option public static void main, click on it and click finish. You can see the demo.java file inside the main method is already added. Now let's print something inside the static void main method. You need to write system dot out dot println and type anything to print something. You must add the semicolon. Now go to file and save all. To run the program, click run. Now click on run as and Java application. Here you can see our first Java program has executed successfully. And that's it for today's video. This is how you install the latest Eclipse IDE on Windows 11 and run your first Java program. If you face any issue, just comment below and I will help you out. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.